Hi, in this video, I will let you know the use of shortcuts. So shortcut is very important part. If you want to utilize the shortcut, then your work efficiency will increase automatically. So always you have to try to use all these shortcuts, which is a most important part of Excel shortcut. Now, here I will discuss about the first shortcut, which is a F2. If I have applied here equal to sum, then I'm taking total sum of basic salary TA and DA, enter. So here I have taken reference of basic salary TA and DA. Further, I realize I have to take HRA data also into this reference. So you have to press F2 to edit your formula. So here I have taken the F2. F2 means you are editing your cell reference, you are editing your formula. Okay, so whatever things available into that cell, that will be edited through the F2. So here I'm just removing this reference. Now again pressing F2 or function F2. Sometime your F2 will not work. So it is completely depends on system to system. So make sure you have to press F2 at that time. Now I will take again all the reference and bracket close, enter. So this is all about the F2. Now I talk about the F4. Why do we use F4? F4 is used to take a freeze. So if you want to freeze your reference, then you have to press F4. So here I want to freeze this reference. So first I will select it. Then you have to press function F4 or F4 only. It's completely depend on system to system. Okay, so here I have freezed the complete reference. Means I have freezed row and column both. Here I have freezed row and column both. But here I want to freeze only column. So you have to press function F4 once again. So as of now, only row is freeze because my dollar sign is available before row number. So row is freezed. But here I need to freeze column. So press F4 again. Now column is freezed. Enter. So what I told you here, you have to press F4 to freeze a row and column. In one time your row and column both will freeze. In two time your row is freezed. In third time F4 your column will be freezed. Okay, so this is the use of uh, F4. Now I'll let you know about the control 1. Control 1 is used to apply the any formatting. Suppose I want to apply the format on this number, so you have to select it, then press Control 1. Control 1, you will get this window. Now in this format option, you can utilize any of the format. Okay, suppose here I want to apply the format on numbers. So here you have numbers and I want to take here 2 decimal or 3 decimal. So you can take from this area. So here I want to take 3 decimal. So I have taken 3 decimal. Then here you can take general. Okay, no need to take uh, general number. You will not get any decimal place. So make sure you have to take number if you want to take decimal. So see here 30 after decimal. So it means it will give you 3 more decimal part here. So click on OK. Now you can see here decimal here I have applied. Okay. Now you have control down arrow. So if your pointer is available on name, if you press control down arrow, entire data will be selected from B column. Okay. If you are putting your pointer on C column and press control shift down arrow, then complete data will be selected from C column. Okay. If you press control right arrow means I selected entire data from right side. If my pointer is available on HRA and pressing control left arrow, So left data is selected from G column to A column. Okay. So if I'm putting my pointer here and pressing Control Shift left arrow, complete range will be selected. Okay, from left side. Now I'll let you know how we can utilize the control up arrow. So if your pointer is available on last data and you want to select complete data from this column, so you have to press control up arrow. Now you have selected header as well, but you don't want to select header, so you have to press here control shift down arrow. So now header is not selected. Okay, so this is the use of control up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow, and shift down arrow as well. Okay, now I will discuss about the next is uh, control semicolon. Control semicolon is used to take current date. If I'm pressing control semicolon, semicolon is nearby L in your keyboard. So press control semicolon. So see here, you are getting current date. Today is 29th of November 2023. Okay. Now I'll let you know what is the use of control shift semicolon. If I'm pressing control shift semicolon, you will get time. So see here, current time is 22:21. Okay. Now I'll let you know about next is control space. Control space means if I'm putting my pointer here and pressing control space, you can see here entire column will be selected. Not till data, entire column will be selected. Whether data is available into that column or not, it's not depend on data. Okay. Now, if I'm putting my pointer here and pressing shift space, then entire row will be selected. See here. Okay. So this is the use of control space and shift space. Now control minus. If I have selected this column, if I am pressing control minus, then this column will be deleted. See here, I'm just pressing control minus. So see here, that column is deleted. I am shifted in left side. Okay. Now, suppose I have selected data from J. Entire row I have selected. Now I am pressing control minus. Then row will be deleted. J information will be deleted. See here. Done. Control Z. Now I'll let you know about control shift plus. Suppose here I have selected this cell reference, or here I have selected the basic salary. I want to insert a new column. So you have to press Control Shift plus. See here, new column is added. Okay. Now I'll let you know about Control Shift down arrow, Control Shift up arrow, Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift left arrow. I have already discussed. Now I'm just telling you about next function. Next function is Control Shift L. So what I have to do, Control Shift L is used to apply the filter. You can put your pointer anywhere in data and press Control Shift L. So see here, your filter is applied. Okay. Now Shift F11. Shift F11 is used to add a new sheet. Suppose here is my pointer. Most useful shortcut is a tab name. Now I want to add a fresh sheet. As of now, I'm just deleting this sheet. So here I have deleted this sheet. Okay. Now what I have to do, I need to add new sheets. So you need to press Shift F11. So I have pressed the Shift F11. You can see here sheet 1 is added. So this is a most important shortcuts I have used here. So go through all these shortcuts continuous 10 days. These shortcuts is very useful shortcut if you want to work on Excel and you want to enhance your efficiency. Then this shortcut will be very useful. Thank you so much for this video.